Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. A screwdriver set for a drill is an essential toolkit addition for both professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering versatility and convenience. These sets provide an array of screwdriver bits designed to fit into a standard drill chuck, enabling users to efficiently drive screws into various materials with ease. Whether tackling household repairs, woodworking projects, or automotive maintenance, the right screwdriver set for a drill can significantly enhance productivity and precision. To help you navigate through the plethora of options available, we've compiled a list of the top 5 screwdriver sets for drills. These sets have been selected based on their quality, durability, versatility, and overall user satisfaction, ensuring you find the perfect toolkit companion for your drilling and screwdriving needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, these screwdriver sets are sure to become invaluable assets in your workshop or toolbox. Number 5. Bosch Screwdriver Set for Drill. First and foremost, the build quality of the drill bits is exceptional. Each piece feels sturdy and well made, which is a testament to Bosch's commitment to manufacturing high-quality products. The bits are made of durable materials, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. One of the standout features of this set is its versatility. With a variety of twist drill bits included, ranging from PH and PZ to hex and T types, this set covers a wide range of applications. Whether I'm working on wood, metal, or other materials, I can always find the right bit for the job. Additionally, the inclusion of different sizes ensures that I have the flexibility to tackle various tasks with precision and ease. Number 4. Bosch X33 Screwdriver Set for Drill. One of the standout features of the X33 set is its versatility. With a wide range of drill bit sizes included, I've found that I can tackle virtually any woodworking project with ease. From smaller pilot holes to larger bore diameters, this set is me covered, eliminating the need for multiple bit sets cluttering up my toolbox. The compatibility with Bosch electric screwdrivers is another notable advantage of the X33 set. The bits fit securely into the chuck, preventing slippage and ensuring efficient power transfer during drilling operations. This compatibility adds an extra layer of convenience for users who already own Bosch power tools, creating a seamless experience from start to finish. Number 3. Makita B55697 Screwdriver Set for Drill. The Makita B55697 Screwdriver Set for Drill embodies the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. With its comprehensive set of features, exceptional performance, and enduring reliability, it proves to be a valuable asset for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. While it may come at a slightly higher price point compared to generic alternatives, its superior quality and functionality justify the investment for anyone serious about their electrical work. The Makita B55697 Screwdriver Set for Drill excels in delivering precision, efficiency, and versatility for a wide range of electrical projects. Its durable construction, seamless compatibility, and organized storage make it a standout choice in the realm of screwdriver sets. Whether you're tackling small household repairs or large-scale electrical installations, this set equips you with the tools needed to get the job done right the first time. Number 2. GrenPRO Screwdriver Set for Drill. The GrenPRO Screwdriver Set for Drill is a versatile and high-quality toolset that every enthusiast or professional handyman should consider adding to their arsenal. As someone who frequently tackles various home improvement projects, I found this set to be an indispensable companion. One of the standout features of the GrenPRO screwdriver set is its multifunctionality. With a wide range of screw heads included Torx, hex, and positive, it covers most of the common types you'll encounter in your projects. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or working on your car, this set has you covered. Number 1. DEWALT DEWALT 100 SET Screwdriver for Drill. As an avid enthusiast and woodworker, I'm constantly on the lookout for tools that can enhance my projects while providing efficiency and durability. The DEWALT DEWALT 100 SET Screwdriver for Drill caught my attention due to its promising features and the reputable brand behind it. First and foremost, DEWALT has always been synonymous with quality in the realm of power tools, and the DEWALT 100 SET lives up to this reputation. Upon receiving the set, I was immediately impressed by the sturdy construction of both the drill and the accompanying screwdriver bits. The materials used feel robust and capable of withstanding rigorous use, which is essential for any tool in my workshop. Thank you guys.